Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19 Excel Chapter 6 PS1 Automobiles. In its project description, Community Auto Sales is considering opening a new location on the east side of the town. They need to determine the types of the vehicle that they would like to have on that lot for sale. They have acquired a sample data of the vehicle featured and estimated MSRP, manufactured suggested retail price, and needs your help in setting up some analysis so that they can explore their option. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file name Excel chapter 6 PS1 Automobile. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file location where you are citing the file. I have already downloaded and opened the file. That's our file. We will move to our second step. Our second step is converting plain data sets to Excel table can provide easy way to explore the data. The data on the auto sample worksheet include the detail about the vehicles that the company may be interested in buying or for resale. For auto sales worksheet, so we will go to the auto sample worksheet. That is our auto sample worksheet. Insert a table with the header using the data. So we need to insert the table. We will go to the insert tab, and here we will select the table and we will insert a table with the header. Make sure that this check should be selected and press OK. So now its table is applied. That's our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Canvas course, Pearson Plus course, Cengage course, or if you need help in the Excel assignments, PowerPoint assignments, Word assignments, or SS assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video, or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. We will move to our third step. With the table selected, include the header, create a car database range names. So we will copy this and we will go to the formula tab, and here in the define names we will select define name, and here we will make it as a car database and press OK. So we have assigned a car database to this all table. Our fourth step is insert 6 rows above the table to make room to create an advanced filter. So we need to insert 6 rows. We will select this row and insert row first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So we have inserted 6 rows above the table. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is in order to create an advanced filter, you may include the column heading to which you will specifying the criteria. Copy the heading A7 to J7 and paste it in the starting cell A1. So we will select A7 to J7. That is our A7 to J7. We will copy this and we will paste it in the cell A1 to J1. So that's our required step. Our sixth step is using the advanced filter. Display the record with an automatic. So we will copy this automatic. We will paste it here as a transmission type as a automatic. And what is the other thing? That are mid-size vehicle. So we will copy also mid-size, where it is given as a mid-size. You see its vehicle size should be mid-size. And what is the other filter? With an MRSP less than 30,000. So we will copy this and paste it as a MRSP 30,000, less than 30,000. So that's our filter. Our sixth step is copy the filter data including the headings and paste it on the selected vehicle worksheet. So we will apply the this one filter data to this table. So we will go to the home tab, and here in this we will go to the data tab, and here we will go to the advanced filter. That's our selected range, our table range, and what is our criteria. Our criteria is cell A1 to J2, and filter the list in place, and we will press OK. So we have filtered our data. What he thinks in the seventh step, copy the filter data including the heading, paste copy on the selected vehicle worksheet. So we will copy this and paste this one selected vehicle worksheet in which cell? In the cell A1. We have pasted this one. Adjust the column width so that the data are visible. So we need to adjust the column width. We will auto fit the column width so data is visible now. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is clear the filter applied to the auto sample data. So we will go to the auto sample data, and we need to clear this filter. We will go here and we will select this one, clear. We have cleared our filter now. Copy the heading and paste it on the database tools worksheet starting in the cell A1 to set up and create a database function. So we will select the first row. That's our first row. We will copy this and we will go to the database tools and paste it in the cell A1. That's our step. If necessary, adjust the column width so that the all data is visible. So we will adjust the column width by selecting this, and we will auto set this one. That's our eighth step. We have total 13 steps in this assignment. I have performed 8 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you need help in the Pearson course, Canvas course, Pearson Plus course, or if you need help in Excel assignments, PowerPoint assignment, Word assignments, or assess assignments, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.